Level up your game. The Colorado M Series is Canon's all-new roll-to-roll printer lineup for the wide-format graphic arts industry. A platform with industry build quality and reliability and UV gel ink technology at its heart. The Colorado M Series features fast, easy, and profitable white ink. The UV Gel Advantage. Since its launch, Canon's revolutionary UV gel technology has set the standard for wide-format ink applications, gaining a reputation for productivity, reliability, and sustainability. It produces perfect, repeatable, high-quality print applications with stable, vibrant colors and perfect dimensional stability, and with low ink consumption. And it supports your creativity by enabling a vast range of applications on almost any type of media. Heat-sensitive, low contrast, transparent, even magnetic film. The unique Flex Finish Plus makes it possible to create matte, gloss, or a combination of the two. White ink, done right. White ink printing has long been considered a niche application due to slow printing speeds, troublesome maintenance, and additional costs. Not anymore. The Colorado M Series and our UV gel technology treat white like any other color, meaning there's no printhead handling, no excessive purging, and no extra maintenance. This means you can offer white ink applications knowing the turnaround will be fast and the job profitable. Modularity to the max. The M in Colorado M Series stands for modular, allowing you to upgrade as and when you need to, giving you a greater competitive edge through an extended application range and low operating cost. Both from the entry-level M3 all the way up to the bulk media automation of one of the Colorado M factories. Flex Finish Plus and white ink can be added even after your machine has been installed. You can even choose from double-sided, print side out, or print side in printing, or a magnetic media kit. A smart investment. With the Colorado M Series, you can configure your printer to meet your exact needs now, knowing you can scale up later. And because it's built to an industrial quality, you can have confidence in your investment, knowing it will last for years. Colorado M Series. Level up your game.